It turns out that not many people know this secret trick. Did you know? That cement mixed with milk can actually become a very useful tool. So for those of you who want to know this secret trick, watch this video until the end. Alright, first, we pour the cement into a prepared container. Here, I'm using about 2 or 3 small jars. After that, we pour in the second ingredient, which is milk. I'm using liquid milk here. Pour it in little by little while stirring to mix both ingredients evenly. If the mixture is still too thick, you can add a bit more milk, guys. Then, keep stirring until everything is well mixed and the texture becomes thick like this. Okay, once both ingredients are well mixed, we move on to the second stage. In this step, prepare 2 small containers that look like plastic cups. Then pour a little of the mixture into one of the cup-like containers, just about this much, guys. Don't forget to take a small piece of PVC pipe and place it right in the center, just like this. Make sure it's exactly in the middle of the container. Next, pour in more of the mixture until the container is full. Make sure it's full, but don't let the PVC piece get completely buried. You can make a small divider so that the end of the PVC still sticks out a little. Then, repeat the same process with the second container. Pour in the mixture, place another piece of PVC in the middle, and fill it up again, leaving a small part of the PVC visible. Alright, so it should look like this, guys. Both containers are now filled and each has a piece of PVC placed in the center. Here's roughly how it looks. Next, we'll let both containers dry under direct sunlight until they're completely dry. This should take around 1 full day. Okay, now that we've finished drying them, the texture has hardened nicely. Next, we'll remove them from the containers one by one. Alright, let's open the first container. Look at this, guys. Even though it has a few small cracks because we didn't cover it during the drying process, that's totally fine. Now, let's open the second container. Again, we can see some cracks here too, but that's not a problem either. Once both pieces are out of the containers, arrange them side by side like this. Then take a round wooden stick and insert both ends of the stick into each PVC piece. And look at the result, guys. Can you guess what it's turned into? That's right. It becomes a single dumbbell, a very useful homemade workout tool. Wow, this is such a rare and brilliant discovery. Amazing, brilliant idea. Alright, hope you found this useful and feel free to try it yourself. Thank you.